What's up guys, welcome to my channel Cuisine Teen. My name is Chef Marvin Duarte. Today we'll be making a delicious juicy burger. Coming up. Alright guys, so before we get started, I want to ask you to subscribe to my channel please if you haven't already to see videos like these. We're going to be making a delicious juicy burger as I said before. So we have our ingredients here. We have some hamburger buns, we got some Swiss cheese, we got some pepper jack cheese, we got some of this gourmet burger seasoning, we got black pepper and all sorts of goodness, we got some salt, some garlic salt, we got some paprika, we got some mayonnaise, we got 2 tomatoes, we got an onion, we got 6 pieces of lettuce, just the green part, and we got some beef. So let's get to seasoning. Our beef, we'll add a couple of shakes of that, some of this. I don't have Worcestershire sauce, but you could add Worcestershire sauce if you want. Alright, and then some paprika, which is my favorite. Okay. And then we'll just incorporate this very well. And I was thinking about putting some cheese inside of the burger meat, so it's nice and gooey when you bite into it. But I don't know. I might do it. I might do it. Just for the views. Alright guys, I forgot to mention, because we're not adding any liquid like the sauce that I told you about, we're going to be adding 1 egg to bind it all together. So let's go ahead and add the egg and incorporate it. Now if you're going to add Worcestershire sauce or whatever, I don't think this is really necessary, just because you already have a liquid. But because I'm not going to be using a liquid, then I'm going to use this egg. And then we're going to be forming our patties. And I'm going to do it on the grill, so I got to go preheat my grill. Make sure it's nice and hot. If you're going to do it on a skillet, put it on medium to medium-high heat. And then let it heat up. It got to be a non-stick skillet though. So then you could just easily flip it. Alright guys, so I just made our patties here. You can see I made these a bit thicker, these 4 right here. And then I made these 2 really thin, because this one is the one that I'm going to be eating. That's the one with the cheese inside of it. And I got mozzarella here that I'm going to put right in the center, and then I'm going to put this patty over that patty. I made them really thin just so it cooks really nicely and evenly. These are just going to be just regular patties, just 1 patty per burger. So what we're going to do to these regular ones, with your 2 fingers, your middle and your index, you're going to make a little hole. Make a little hole in the center, so that way when it cooks, it doesn't come up together and swell up. It stays nice and round. Same thing with all these. It stays the same shape and size. So just only doing this with the thick size patties, not these. So now that we have this done here, for these we're gonna add some mozzarella, just a little bit, right there. This is the first time that I try something like this, so let's just hope for the best, you know. Alright, and then I also have my preheated grill outside. I'm gonna grab this other piece right here and throw it on top. And now we're gonna unite them. To make them one nice juicy patty. Alright, so all the cheese is in there, and when it melts, it's just going to be so good and ooey and gooey. So now we're gonna take this outside. So let's go ahead and go outside. All right, guys, we got our grill fired up here, and if you're gonna do it inside on a skillet, then just wait till the pan is hot enough to the point where if you put the meat in there, it starts to sizzle and you can hear like applauses. That's what you want to hear. So we're gonna grab this one right here, and then we're gonna put it right here, and then we're gonna grab this one right here and put it right here. And don't put them too close together. Leave like a little space like that because it allows for even cooking. And I'm gonna put mine, the one that has the cheese in it, right there. And then I think I'm gonna do those three first, and then I'm gonna do these other two just because. Well, you know, I'm just turning the other grill on too. Alright, let's do it on the other side. Excuse me. Alright, right here. And the last one. Right here. And then we're just going to wait for those to cook, and then we'll flip them and put the cheese on them. Alright guys, so as you can see here, this one, I already flipped it. I'm about to flip this one. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that. Oh man, it's delicious, so juicy. And I give it a little push down, but don't push it down too much because otherwise you're gonna take all the juices out from it. And then we're into this one. Oh, look at that. This one's the good boy. The one that has all the juices. Alright guys, I put my done patties up there. I still have this one, which is still a little raw. So I'm gonna put my onions here, because I want a nice char on them. I got some melted butter here as well, which is what we're going to be basting our patties with. And then we're going to be putting the cheese on top and then putting the lid over them so the cheese can melt and it's nice and oozy and delicious. Alright, so we are anxious to see how great this is going to turn out. I got my tomatoes sliced up and ready, my lettuce, and everything is all set to eat. So let's keep waiting. So as you can see, I just passed these down here, and I already put some of the butter on them. Well, all of the butter actually. It was like a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of butter, melted butter, and then I just I basted it with my little brush. Just did that, and then I have my little onions here. I turned off the flame here, and I just kept these two running. But now what we will be doing is we got some of our cheese here. So, I don't know if you remember which one's mine. This one's mine. Mine is the one in the middle. But we'll be adding some of this delicious Swiss cheese. Look at that. Look at that. Swiss cheese. And then on 2 of them, we're going to be adding pepper jack because that's what some of us like as well. So my stepdad likes pepper jack, so we're going to add pepper jack on his. He's gonna get 2, and I'm gonna get 2. My mom says she only wants 1, so she's only gonna get 1. I might try pepper jack too, just because I want to see what it tastes like. So I'm gonna add that on there, and then pepper jack on that last one. If I can get it. There you go. Alright, pepper jack. Alright, so now all we're going to do is we're going to cover our grill and let the cheese melt over them. So we're going to wait like maybe 5 minutes, and then we'll be ready to start plating. Alright guys, so I got tops here, bottoms here. I got my onions right there, and I'm gonna grab some mayo and slap it on there. One side. Next. I just toasted my buns on here as well, because I like my buns toasted, not soggy. Alrighty. That should be good for now. Now let's get the one that's mine and place it on this bun right there. Alright guys, so I put that on top, and then we're gonna get our onion and put that on top. It's just a little bit. And then we got our tomatoes. Our tomatoes. If it stays. Come on now. Come on. There we go. And then we got our 2 slices of lettuce. And then we got another slice. Well, our top bun. It's very windy out, so things are gonna get windy out here. So there we go. I'll just prepare these in a little bit. We gotta get to tasting them. That is what we are here for. We gotta get to the big guy. Look at that juicy burger. Look at that burger. Now I will take a bite out of it. Alright, watch. Are you watching? Look at that. You can see the cheese oozing. You want a bite? It is really good. I recommend you to try this. It is awesome. Invite all your friends over, a pool party, or just to invite them over because you're nice. So yeah, this is a really nice recipe. I really hope you enjoyed it. God bless you all, and I hope to see you next time.